Okay, hello students. In the virtual class, we learn about the folders and the subfolders. Right now, we are going to learn about the more about the folders and the subfolders. So let's start and learn them one by one. First of all, whenever we see the screen, there are many icons you can see on the screen. You can also see on my screen also. They have a different uses. Even you can see the folders also. This is the folder that we made. अभी हमने जो वर्चुअल क्लास में बनाया था ग्रेड 3, ये वो वाला फोल्डर है. अभी आपको कुछ बनाना हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि फोल्डर्स हम किस में बना सकते हैं, क्या फोल्डर है, कैसे होता है. Right, we are learning them one by one, in which we can store the folders, and whenever you made any of the single file, where the file will be stored. So first of all, first is the using the computer application. The computer is an application on the Windows desktop used to view, explore, and organize all the files and the folders on your computer. That will be by default on your computer. In the My PC and the My laptop, named is the This PC. Maybe this will be happen that in your computer name is the My computer. आपके कंप्यूटर में ये वाला जो आइकॉन है उसका नाम माई कंप्यूटर हो सकता है, लेकिन मेरे पीसी में उसका नाम दिस पीसी है. दैट इज डिपेंड ऑन द वर्जन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. सो वेन एवर डोंट टेल मी दैट मैम मेरा ये नाम है तो आपका क्यों ये. Okay, whenever you open that, you can see the folders and subfolders in it. I will be first open and show you that. Okay, you can see that this PC will be opened here, and there are many folders and the subfolder. These are the simple folders. These are the subfolders. You can see a small triangle in front of the name of the folder. Whenever you just click on the triangle, then all the folders will be came in front of you. Even they have also a subfolder, so whenever you click on that, the folder have also subfolder, and subfolder have a other one folder. Means on the desktop or other document, you can see in everything there are the subfolders available on it. So these are the folders and subfolders whenever you see in the this PC. Even you can see here the C drive, E drive, F drive. These are called the drives. Means your computer memory is divided in the parts, different parts. All have a different folders, subfolder. For example, this is the C drive, one of the folder that have a other subfolder. For example, I am opening program files. It has also other subfolder. जो आपके कंप्यूटर में बाय डिफॉल्ट रहता है, मैं उसकी बात कर रही हूँ. आप इसको ओपन करके भी देख सकते हो. आई एम ओपनिंग ई. ये मैंने बनाए हुए हैं, तो ये फोल्डर मुझे पता है कि कहाँ पे कौन सा फोल्डर आएगा. You can also see in the F, that is also my folder. So I know that I made them, and I know that who have a subfolder. You can see here there are the subfolders also available. So these are the this PC that have a by default folders and the subfolders. These are the simple folders, so they don't have a subfolder. You can see here. It has a many documents, recent places जो आपने use किया होगा अभी के लिए. And desktop means आपका जो desktop, आपकी जो screen होती है, whenever you turn on your computer, that will be displayed on the desktop. Okay. Folders and the subfolders, you see that. That is name is the Windows Explorer. This is the symbol of the Windows Explorer that I opened and show you. Now, also we are using for the copying and moving. This is the use of the Windows Explorer. We can create the folder, we can move the folder, we can copy the folder, we can delete the folder also. Now we are going to learn the create the folder. Already we learned this, but I will be show you it again. For example, these are the my drives. I'm opening any of the drive. मुझे desktop पे नहीं बनाना. मैंने आपको desktop पे सिखाया था in the virtual class. Now I will be show you when you want to make a folder in your drive. मैंने यहाँ पे दिस पी से पहले ओपन कर दिया. I open the F drive, that is my choice. Then right click on the blank space. Yeah, then you can see the new and folder. Otherwise you can directly click on the new folder, so it will be here. I will be named it grade 3. That's it. You can see that folder will be made here. Next, now you have to make your, this is your task of today. This is also available on the page number 70 of the textbook. Create a folder and name it as a grade 3 your name. For example, if your name is Aryan, your folder should be named as grade 3 Aryan. So you have to be follow this one and you have to make your own folder. Next is the renaming file and the folder. As you know what is the meaning of the name and naming. आपको पता है कि नेम का मतलब क्या होता है. सिंपली हमारे पास हमारा ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे एक फोल्डर है ही ऑन द डेस्कटॉप. So what should I do? I have a one document. I will be open and show you what is in the document. So there is only name written. I am also adding that grade 3. Control S and closed it. And remember one thing, if you want to rename any of the file or the file, then compulsory that file will be closed. अगर वो file आपकी open रहती है तब आप उसका rename नहीं कर पाओगे. Compulsory वो file close ही होनी चाहिए. अभी मैं ये वाली जो फाइल है उसका रीनेम करना है, मतलब ये वाला नेम है, आई डोंट लाइक दिस नेम, आई वांट टू शॉर्ट नेम like PIS Himmatnagar, PIS HMT. So what should I do? Go to that file, right click. Here there will be second last option is the rename. Click on then, write down PIS, comma HMT. The name, so name will be changed. I also want to change this. Right click, rename PIS HMT. This is the PowerPoint document. So you can rename file, any of the file of your choice like this. If you want to rename the folder, अगर आपको पूरा folder ही rename करना है तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, ये हमारा जो folder है वही है, मैं इसको right click करके rename कर सकती हूँ. Same procedure for the file and the folders. Right click, go to the rename. I am writing PIS HMT grade 3. You can see that name will be changed here. So like that you can rename any file and folder of your choice. Creating copies of file and folder. So nothing you have to do for that, as you can do the copy and paste. So simple, for example, I will be opened here and I want the copy of this file. मुझे ऐसी ही सेम फाइल दूसरी बनानी है, बस उसमें थोड़ी चेंजेस करनी है. तो आप क्या करोगे, मुझे ये वाली जो फाइल है उसकी कॉपी लेनी है. राइट क्लिक करेंगे हम, जैसे रीनेम के लिए करते थे वैसे ही आपको करना है कॉपी के लिए. राइट क्लिक करो, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आता है कॉपी का, उस पर क्लिक करो, या फिर यहाँ पे बाहर ही ऑप्शन है, या फिर आप यूज करते सकते हो कंट्रोल सी. राइट, कॉपी हुआ, वापिस से राइट क्लिक करो, पेस्ट का ऑप्शन ये रहा. अगर यहाँ नहीं मिल रहा, ये बाहर भी आपको फॉर्मेटिंग टूल बार में मिल जाएगा, दैट इज द पेस्ट. क्लिक ऑन दैट, यू कैन सी द कॉपी ऑफ दैट फाइल. आप उस फाइल की कॉपी इजीली देख सकते हो. If you want to take a copy of a folder, you can also do that. Right click, copy, right click, paste. So it is a copy of that. It's also written the copy. So these are the topics that we are learning in this video. Next time we will be learn about the deleting. Shortcut key also remember control C and V. Same thing, you have to do the process for the files, and use do control C and control V. Then we are learning about the cut on the next video. Okay, students, do practice. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye, everyone.